First open your Google app. Then click on your profile. Then go to setting. Here you will find voice option under Google Assistant. Click on voice. Now click on voice match under Hey Google. Now turn on the Hey Google option. Now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Now say, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. It will setting up your Hey Google voice model. After saying this word, click on finish. Your voice model was ready. Now go back to your app. Now I'm invoking the Hey Google. Hey Google. Now if you say Hey Google, it will listen to your voice and you can search anything you want by saying Hey Google. It will help you. This is how you can use Hey Google option in Google. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.